Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a stunning pink goldfish versions. It's for free. It's super easy and you can do it all from your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open DreamFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will offer a free plan, so you don't need to pay anything. They will give you a weekly credits that lets you generate a few AI photos or video every day. After logging in, you will be on the main homepage like this, and then just tap on AI filters, and then here you will see lots of different filters and styles. Just find one called pink goldfish. This one, just tap on it. It's super cute and give your photo that dreamy magical underwater vibes with a pink goldfish. Next, just choose your photo. You can select any clear portrait, preferably with your face visible. Once you're done, select the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this. As you can see, your photo will turn from into a beautiful photo like this with a pink goldfish. And honestly, it looks so beautiful. And okay, that's how you can easily turn your photo into a pink goldfish look. It's totally free, just using DreamFace. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.